Teresa Simmons here, and I wanted to show you our Crossbody Organizing Tote. This is a brand new item that we have come out with for the spring and summer. Let me back up so that you can see all of it. It has two handles here that you are able to put across your arm if you want to, but it also has a big long handle at the top, and it can go crossbody depending on how you want to wear it, or just over your shoulder. It has two big pockets here on the front. It has two netted pockets on each side that you can put water bottles or things that you want to easily access. And on the inside of it, it has another pocket here. It's kind of hard for y'all to see. Another pocket here so that you are able to put things on the inside of your tote, and it does have a zipper closure at the top. This is going to be a great bag to be used as a baby bag, diaper bag. It can be used for any type of ballpark to put things in that you need to carry. You can put towels and stuff down in the top of it that you need to sit on, and you can put many other things in the Crossbody Organizing Tote. I know that a lot of teachers are using it as a teacher bag. Nurses are using it as their nursing bag, just because of the fact that it has so many pockets and it has so much room in it. So this is your Crossbody Organizing Crossbody Organizing Tote.